Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to clear cache and cookies Chrome 2025. Open Chrome from the menu, click on Delete Browsing Data. In the time range, select the time to delete. After that, just leave the boxes checked, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Click on Delete Data to continue with the cleaning in Chrome. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.